many things within artificial intelligence can be handled because AI works on two things. One is prediction. Namaskaram. Share something which I have observed in last 3, 4, 5 years of my interaction with education, particularly in the incoming domain of artificial intelligence. So this is what I'm going to share with you. I don't claim myself as an expert in this field, but certainly I am a very, very keen observer. And I think that observation itself is a skill on which many things within artificial intelligence can be handled. The stage has been set in the World Economic Forum, what type of models in artificial intelligence, how relevant they are going to be, what is going to be the address of these models is to look into ROI. But all this business talk, he has also said something very, very interesting and very impactful, and that is he wants to make sure that AI is for everyone. So that is a very, very significant thing. The entire responsibility of taking this AI phenomena forward and who is going to contribute how is what all is going to unroll in front of all of us in coming years' time. And I think education will become much more relevant, profound than what it is right now. It would need a lot of internal discussions, changes, perhaps maybe change of positioning itself as an education institute. I don't know, but that is what my, as I said, is observation. AI is a very impactful technology that has come to the world, but it is not as new as we all think. It is first concept of AI, you will not believe, was discussed 60 years back, even 63 years back, in a Davos conference where this particular term got coined, artificial intelligence. Very few people knew about it because these people were extremely close to that technology of data and how the way computers were working, and that technology was yet to get down up to the common man, which eventually came in last 50, 60 years. And today, when the first official interactive tool that every one of us, almost in students' fraternity, it is absolutely popular, just caught fire globally. It got started, downloaded, subscribed, and then the world actually started, even common man actually started talking about artificial intelligence. Then everyone started thinking about, where is this artificial intelligence? Where am I going to find this? And the simple things were that it was there already. It is there on your smartphone. All the apps that you are using is nothing but the product of artificial intelligence and data coming together. So we are already the consumers of that. Made us clearly aware about what this AI is, how AI is going to play a role in our day-to-day life, and started our observations. We started looking around. We then came to know that, yeah, AI is almost everywhere. Only thing is I was not knowing it. AI is in defense, AI is in military, AI is in healthcare, AI is in technology, AI is even driving driverless cars. So this is nothing but manifestation of AI. And AI per se is nothing but combination of data management, data engineering, and data science coming together, creating a platform with machine learning, deep machine learning, various algorithms, and you tell me you can imagine anything. And all that creates a platform which works on the basis of models that are created through algorithms called or coined as artificial intelligence. Krutrim Buddhimatta. So it is actually not Krutrim, it is man-made anyway. So anything that is man-made is not Krutrim. But this particular technology, which is essentially made by people, humans, people who were in that field, and has that been now made available for commoners to use. And where is the data coming from? This data is coming from you and me on everyday basis. And that is another area of observation, that how this data is getting gathered day in and day out, practically every second. Even if I am standing here, I am a data house. All the cameras looking at me, every movement that I am doing. is getting collected, stored somewhere. So practically we are living in two parallel ages. One is screen age, because every one of us has, almost everyone has a mobile, and we don't spend a moment not to go to the screen. The moment we get opportunity, our first preference is to check our mobile, rather than saying hello to the person sitting next to us. Then going back home, our first choice of entertainment is finding out OTT platforms, what are they delivering. So what I'm saying, nothing wrong in that, because it is the world we are living, and only thing that can alter all this is we people only. So nothing to blame to the technology, but we are living in a world of screen. So after Ice Age, now screen age has come. How many million years, I don't know, but now we are living in a screen age, and if you want to confirm that, go to a child as small as 3 years, and just for the experiment, give the mobile in hand. And I don't know from where, maybe it is genetic change or something really has changed. That child by default will take the phone in hand like this, and automatically, without telling anything, that child will start using fingers or thumbs like this. Maybe that is an observation. This child has seen father, mother, people around using something, and using thumbs as predominant finger to check what is happening on the screen. And I have done it with many children in my society around, just for the sake of experiment, giving them mobile, and the moment they take it, I don't know, you can check it, they take it in both the hands, and then their thumbs start scrolling the things. Whether they know it about, don't know, but this has just been recorded in the brain. So what I'm trying to say is, this technology has tremendous impact, absolute impactful. Couple of other companies, big names, are practically burning money without knowing whether when the ROI is going to come from. But all that put aside, what is more important is this AI. And this AI, whether one likes it or not, is playing a very, very dominant and significant role in our day-to-day life. Now, the question arises, how to handle this? We just can't run out of it, or we can not run away from it, because running away from it is practically, you can take a vacation, you can take a break and say, okay, I will switch off my mobile and I'll go somewhere in the mountains for a couple of days, and that's it. But the moment you come back, again, you have to get connected to this technology. Again, saying whether you like it or not, but it is going to stay. It is not going to go away any soon now. So let us think about my own living, maybe another 25 years. I'm currently 60. So I hope till 80, if nothing goes wrong with accident or anything, till 80, I'm going to be there using this technology. So what this implies is that life is going to go longer and longer and longer, because of, again, medical, which is now driven by AI, is playing very, very important role. Things like eye scanner, where recently there was a video, if you have seen several times, you can also find it out, just with eye scanner, just with eye scanning, now that equipment, you have to stand in front of that scanner, just give your eyes set on the technology platform that is there. It will check your retina, and in say about 3 to 5 minutes time, it will give you a report with probable ailments or diseases that individual is going to face in next 15 years time. That includes maybe diabetes, maybe fatty liver or whatnot. They have sort of 60 to 70 sort of elements that have been detected, which actually can be detected through your retina. And that type of technology advancement has gone in as far as scanning that through AI model that's developed. And with the current scenario, I don't know they will be able to use it globally, but very soon it will come out. And so I think it is going to be a next level of healthcare prediction, which is important, because AI works on two things. One is prediction, which is what this particular data is going to do. And second one is analyzing and talking about something which is different. But it is on two pillars that this AI technology goes on. And this predictive AI, what is happening in healthcare, is actually becoming very, very formidable force of getting into medical care for a person who is analyzing his or her own health. So what I'm trying to shape up here is this is all very, very, very profound, and it is happening every day in your life. It is helping, this technology is helping in environmental sciences, this and space sciences. But flip side of that is we as human beings have become data centers ourselves, at the same time consumers as well. So it is a balance between becoming data which is getting shared by us and using the product that essentially is a part of that data which is becoming sort of a product coming back to you to buy the services. So this is how this entire thing is shaping up, and this boils down to how we are going to address this through the current education system. Is it only related to computer science? No. AI is for everyone. So people coming from all walks of life, all walks of educational systems, lawyers, people coming from liberal arts, science, commerce, business, everyone needs to come into this, and universities, colleges will have to think completely differently about how to really shape up new curriculums to address this incoming phenomena, where it will be not only tilted towards designers or developers, it has to create expert users as well. So this is the threshold where we have reached in India particularly, where technology needs to be addressed and on the basis of experts, designers, developers, and experts users, because both should get equal opportunity for career. So this is what my observation and contribution to you is. Thank you very much for your time.